Welcome to the final part of our Porto walking tour. Today we escape the bustle of the city center for the romantic heights of the Crystal Palace Gardens. At the heart of these gardens stands the Pavilion Rosa Moda. Though the original glass palace is gone, this iconic dome remains a landmark for concerts and culture. We wander through the tiered beds of the Rose Garden, where peacocks roam freely among botanical treasures from around the world. From these granite ridges, we get a new perspective on the Douro, looking west toward the ocean where our journey will eventually end. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. To reach the coast, we board the historic Line 1 tram. This vintage wooden carriage has been chugging along the riverbank for over a century. We arrive at Foz do Douro, the affluent district where the river finally meets the sea. Our walk begins at the elegant Passeio Alegre garden. Here, history is hidden in plain sight, from the 19th century Swiss chalet to the granite obelisks designed by Nicolau Nassoni. Foz has a dual personality. On the riverside, the water is tranquil and shaded, but as we round the corner, the landscape becomes wild and dramatic. Guarding this entrance is the Fortaleza de São João, a 16th century fortress built to protect Porto from pirates and invaders. The Farolham de Felgueiras stands as a lone sentinel against the Atlantic. On stormy days, the waves here provide some of the city's most dramatic sights. Continuing north along the promenade, we reach the most photographed landmark in Foz, the neoclassical Pergola de Foz. Inspired by the promenade in Nice, this golden structure is the perfect frame for the vast horizon of the Atlantic Ocean. The promenade stretches for miles, lined with granite outcrops and small sandy beaches where the city comes to breathe the salt air. There is a raw energy here that contrasts with the medieval alleys of the Ribeira. It's where Porto meets the power of the open sea. Once a humble fishing village, Foz is now a place for slow afternoons, coastal dining, and witnessing nature's daily spectacle. As the day winds down, the sky begins to transform. There is no better place in Porto to witness the sunset than right here. The Atlantic sunset is a ritual. The entire coast is bathed in a warm, ethereal glow that marks the end of another day. As the blue hour sets in, the lights of Foz mirror the stars above. It's a peaceful conclusion to our three-part journey, from the historic tiles of the center to the deep cellars of Gaia. And the wild waves of Foz Porto has shown us its many souls. We hope this walking tour has inspired you to discover the magic of this city for yourself. Porto is waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Porto. We'll see you on our next adventure. Até a próxima. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.